Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be sharing you guys the ultimate experience of eating homemade Nandos at home, and especially a do-it-yourself peri peri sauce, inexpensive and bang for your ringgit. Truth be told, guys, actually our family really love eating out at Nandos. It's super delicious. But don't you think sometimes it's kind of expensive? For example, you go out with a family of 5 or 6, you always end up paying hundreds of ringgit for just roasted chicken. The main highlight to get that Nandos experience at home is actually the peri peri sauce. So stick around, watch the video until the end because we're going to show you exactly how to make it. It tastes almost exactly the same as the real deal, if not even better. Now, the main ingredient to make the marinade for the chicken is actually the Cajun seasoning. We have paprika powder, we also have lemon, we have dried rosemary, you can use fresh one if you have it, mixed herbs, Himalayan salt and pepper, and that's all, guys. To start off with the marinade, put a little bit of olive oil. Then all you have to do is mix all the ingredients into a perfect marriage. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Make sure you put the lemon zest. This will give a nice tangy flavor to your marinade, and your chicken will taste super nice. Alright guys, right now we're gonna take the chicken and put it into the marinade. Alright guys, once you preheated the oven at about 180 Celsius, it's time to roast the chicken. In goes the chicken, guys. Careful, it's really hot. There we go. Now you're gonna pour a little bit of the marinade into the chicken, right inside the chicken. Oh boy, we're gonna roast the chicken for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. But make sure you monitor, guys. We don't want the chicken to dry out. You want it to be nice and juicy. While the chicken is being roasted in the oven, now it's time to make the peri peri sauce. Just a second, guys. One of our subscribers actually requested us to play an acoustic song, which we did. So enjoy, and I hope you like the electric guitar solo. To make the peri peri sauce is really easy, guys. All you need is garlic, a lot of lemon, big onions, big red chilies, and bird's eye chili or chili api or chili padi, salt and pepper, and vinegar. We are using apple cider vinegar, guys, and when we read the content at the back, there is no content of wine or alcohol. All pure ingredients, so it should be okay, guys, inshallah. Alternatively, guys, we can use normal distilled vinegar like this one, but apparently this one is cuka buatan vinegar or artificial vinegar. What is this? Let us know in the comment below, guys. Kenapa cuka buatan vinegar? Again, all you have to do is prepare the ingredients, chopping it down to smaller chunks since we are going to blend them into a paste. For this peri peri sauce, no water is added since it is an olive oil based sauce. Again, the tangy taste comes from the apple cider vinegar and lemon, and lots of it. On top of the lemon zest, we even put the actual lemon fruit. Make sure to put only a little bit as the white part of the fruit is bitter. It looks so beautiful laying out all of the ingredients together next to each other. The following step is to put them all into a blender. Make sure you add enough oil. Ensure you get a fine paste. Please make sure that you season well with salt and pepper. Once you already blend the ingredients, now it's time to cook. Whoa! Just like an Italian marinara sauce, the blended ingredients needs to be cooked thoroughly to make sure all the flavors comes out from its raw form. Alright guys, this is the basic of making peri peri sauce. If you want it to be more garlicky, add more garlic. If you want to make it more spicy, add more chilies. If you want to make it more sour, add more lemon. Yum, 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 yum. So for our case, we're going to add a little bit more of paprika powder just to make it more red. Alright guys, at this point, just cook the ingredients for about 10 minutes until it's fully cooked. It looks super delicious, guys. Taste test, guys. Whoa! Now that's what I call a homemade peri peri sauce. It tastes so much better than Nandos, guys. You gotta try this recipe out. And if you really like it, make sure to give a like. Give a thumbs up, guys. Let's check out our chicken. Check it out, guys. Homemade Nandos roasted chicken, guys. Nothing beats home cooking, guys. Seriously, I kid you not. Nice and golden brown, just the way we like it. Okay, whoa, this chicken is quite heavy actually. Now let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes before you're cutting it down. To complement the experience of eating Nandos at home, we're going to cook some fries. Today we have McCain fries. Have you guys tried it out? It's really nice, guys. I highly recommend for you to check it out. Korang pernah rasa tak? If you haven't tried it before, leave a comment below, guys. What is that, Pops? What are you making? Whoa, check this out, guys. My dad actually ukir this kayu into a lion shape. Check it out, guys. How long did it take you to make it, Dad?
Donkey years.
Donkey years. Alright guys, now this. Dang, super awesome, guys. We're gonna pour in all the chicken fat goodness. By the way, guys, we actually have this old Nandos peri peri sauce. We actually finished it, we cleaned it up, and I think we're gonna refill it. Our homemade Nandos peri peri sauce. Homemade cooking can never go wrong, guys. Seriously, not only you save a bit of money, but it tastes way superior than the ones you get out there. 20 ringgit, guys. Haris, are you excited to eat Nandos at home?
Yeah, I love it.
The chicken is so juicy and succulent. Guys, look at the chicken, it's so juicy. Oh my god. Wow. Make sure to check out our other recipe, alright? Help our YouTube channel grow. Thank you and until the next time.